Hi everyone, thank you for clicking to this video. You are not here by mistake, but you are going to get so much beautiful content, so much beautiful videos that are educative. Those who love nature, those who love farming, organic farming, vegetable farming, growing and harvesting, maintaining and taking care of plants of any kind. We also do bonsais, fruit trees, maintenance, and how to maintain them. Keep watching, keep clicking our videos, view our playlist. You learn a lot, I promise. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to keep on getting more videos on time so that you won't get missed out. Thank you so much. We love you all.